What is this? Yes, could it be? Wow, the packing on this is amazing. Nice. North Shore Sunset. Awesome. And there it is. Holy cow. Look at that. Wow. Dang. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Haha. Oh, for Jeremy. Nice. Love it. Love it. Perfect. Ed and Ady, thank you so much. It's amazing. I can't be happier. It's perfect. Love it. Still has that fresh from the Swarez smell. And there it is, hung. Looking awesome. Or even better, right here as the entrance to my house. So, yeah. Or maybe right here. So, I think it looks good anywhere in the house. Thanks again to Ed and Ady for this amazing gift. All right. Thanks again, guys, and everybody else. Good luck.